Miranda, did you know that hummingbirds are the only bird that can fly backwards?
No, they can't. It's dumb.
Yeah, they can.
That's not true. There's literally hundreds of birds. They can't be the only one.
No, their wings fly fast enough in a pattern to be able to fly backwards.
Well, what about bats? They're small and they flap their wings fast. I'm 74% sure I've seen at least 4 bats fly backwards. So, what about that?
Well, that doesn't make any sense though. How can you be 74% sure of anything? You see it or you haven't.
Well, I'm also I'd say about 92% sure that the Quetzalcoatlus can fly backwards. So learn your birds before you come at me with that hummingbird propaganda.
Well, first of all, the Quetzal was a dinosaur and is extinct. And second of all, they couldn't fly backwards anyways.
Well, yeah, that's what I meant.
What do you mean that's what you meant? You're correcting yourself. I thought you were in honors English.
I mean, I was. I'm not now, though.
You know what dinosaur could fly?
The Quetzal, yeah.
No, a tapajara.
What's a tapajara?
A dinosaur?
Well, I know that.
Well, what did you mean then?
What kind of dinosaur?
Oh, it was a Petrosaurus. It was like a pterodactyl, but bigger.
Well, I still think bats can fly backwards.
It's a good thing you're pretty. Really can fly backwards.
Really?
Okay.
Wait. You see this card? Almost there. Not the same card, but it was a cool trick.
When I mulligan, so if I just put down like freaking
Yeah, I know. I played 2
insertion.
blacks for a 3 red card.
Okay. If I play a quick insertion for a mana, just ignore it.
Okay.
Don't call me out.
Oh, is it going?
Bloopers!